Hello students, I hope you all have done worksheet 1 and 2 after watching the video of genders. Now we will continue this chapter, worksheet 3. We have learnt about the masculine and the feminine gender. Let us now understand about the common gender. Ab I have already explained in previous video about common gender. Now we will recall that some names are common for both the genders. They can be used for both males and females. The common nouns which are used for male and female, they are called common gender, like child, doctor, etc. Now we have to write some more common genders, like you will write pilot, teacher, doctor, painter, engineer. They all are common gender. Now complete the names of the following persons, animals, and write whether they belong to male, female, common gender. The first one has been done for you. First is a person who paints is a painter. So it is common. You will have to write which gender it is. So it is common gender. Now a child without parents is called an orphan. So it is also common. Orphan means anath. Common gender. A person who lives in the house next to yours is your neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R, neighbor. So it is also common. It can be male or female. Your father's dad is your grandfather. G-R-A-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-R, grandfather. So it is masculine gender. The opposite gender of a horse is a mare, M-A-R-E. So it is feminine gender. The opposite gender of nephew is niece. So it is feminine gender. The person who teaches us is a teacher. So it is a common gender. Now worksheet 4. Miss Parikh is going to tell her students a new story today. Mrs. Parikh जो हैं वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स को एक नई कहानी सुनाने जा रही हैं. बट देयर इज़ ए प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन एक समस्या है. द बॉयज़ वांट हर टू टेल देम द स्टोरी ऑफ अ विजार्ड while the girls want her to tell them the story of a witch. जबकि लड़के जो हैं वो ये चाहते हैं कि मैडम उन्हें विजार्ड की कहानी सुनाए, जादूगर की कहानी सुनाए, जबकि लड़कियां चाहती हैं कि मैडम उन्हें जादूगरनी की कहानी सुनाए. मिस पारिक थिंक्स ऑफ अ प्लान. लेकिन मिस पारिक जो है वो एक प्लान सोचती हैं. मिस पारिक कहती हैं आई विल टेल यू अ स्टोरी. मैं आपको एक कहानी सुनाऊंगी. चेंज द जेंडर ऑफ द नाउन्स इन ईच लाइन. लेकिन आपको हर लाइन के जेंडर चेंज करने होंगे. एंड यू कैन गेट अ स्टोरी बोथ अबाउट विच एंड अबाउट विजार्ड. और आपको इस तरह से विच और विजार्ड दोनों की कहानी आपको मिल जाएगी. अब कंप्लीट द स्टोरी दैट द स्टूडेंट नरेटेड. अब हमने वो स्टोरी कंप्लीट करनी है. किस तरह से कि हमें जहाँ पर जो जेंडर है, जहाँ फेमिनिन जेंडर है वहाँ हमने उसे मैस्कुलिन जेंडर करना है, और जहाँ मैस्कुलिन जेंडर है वहाँ हमें उसे फेमिनिन जेंडर करना है. Now first line is like this. The Cruel Wizard. This topic of the story, the title of the story is The Cruel Wizard of Osmania. So it is changed into The Cruel Witch of Osmania. So wizard की जगह क्या आ गया? Witch आ गया. First sentence is already done. Once upon a time there lived a wizard in a jungle. So it is written after the change. Once upon a time there lived a witch in the jungle. So wizard is changed into witch. Same as we have to do. He was very kind hearted, but his wife was very cruel. Now you will have to write शी वॉज वेरी काइंड हार्टेड, यानी ही प्रोनाउन हैज़ बीन चेंज्ड इनटू शी प्रोनाउन. तो शी वॉज वेरी काइंड हार्टेड बट हर हस्बैंड. सो यहाँ पर क्या है, वाइफ है ऊपर वाली लाइन में फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में. सो वाइफ विल बी चेंज इनटू husband. Husband was very cruel. You have to write the same sentence but only change the gender. Next sentence is, the wizard would always help everyone who was in trouble. So wizard will be changed into in sentence which, in next sentence, in other sentence. The witch would always help everyone who was in trouble. यानी जो जादूगर था, पहले सेंटेंस में जादूगर जो था वो हर किसी की मदद करता था जो मुसीबत में होता था. तो इसी तरह से ये विजार्ड जो है विच में चेंज हो जाएगा. तो विच जो है वो हमेशा सबकी मदद करती थी जो परेशानी में होता था. अब नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में, द विच विद हर मैजिक वैंड कॉज प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर द पीपल. सो विच विल बी चेंज इनटू विजार्ड. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में, the wizard with his magic wand caused problems for the people. One day the emperor of Afghanistan and the duke of Kent were. अब इस लाइन में क्या है, one day emperor, there are two common nouns, emperor and duke. So emperor will be changed into empress and duke will be changed into duchess. So you will write the same sentence but only change the gender. So one day the Empress of Afghanistan and the Duchess of Kent were passing through the jungle on their horses. So here horses is the common noun. Horses are the common noun. Passing through the jungle on their mares. So horses will be changed into mares. The witch saw them coming and thought to herself. The witch will be changed into wizard. The witch saw them coming and thought to herself will be changed into himself. Next, he let me trouble them and steal their peacocks. So ही लड़कियां जब हंसती हैं तो वो ही करती है, तो लड़के जब हंसते हैं तो हा हा. तो here we will write ha ha. Wizard, how will wizard laugh? Ha ha. Let me trouble them and steal their peacocks की जगह क्या आ जाएगा आपका, peahens. तो peacocks will be changed into peahens. तो you will write peahens. You will write peahens. Okay बेटा. Now the last sentence is, the wizard heard her and decided to help the travelers. So the wizard की जगह which आ जाएगा, the witch heard her. अब हर की जगह, हर प्रोनाउन की जगह him आ जाएगा. यहाँ पर बॉय के लिए क्या यूज होता है, him. सो विच जो है, विच ने उसे हंसते हुए सुना. विजार्ड ने उस विच को सुना हंसते हुए और विच ने विजार्ड को सुना. तो यहाँ हर है, हर की जगह क्या आ जाएगा, हिम आ जाएगा. द विच हर्ड हिम एंड डिसाइडेड टू हेल्प द ट्रैवलर्स. और उसने ये निश्चय किया कि वो ट्रैवलर्स की मदद करेगी. आई होप यू ऑल हैव गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट. Now worksheet 5. Now turn to the passage B.2 Mix Up at Birth, Unit Sports of My English Reader. Locate and write the opposite genders of those given in the blurbs. We have to write the opposite gender of these words given in the blurb. So aunt. So what is the opposite gender of aunt? Uncle. Father, mother. Fisherman, fisher, women. फाइंड आउट 2 कॉमन जेंडर्स इन द पैसेज. हमें मिक्सअप एट बर्थ से 2 कॉमन जेंडर भी ढूंढने हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट विल बी बेबी एंड नेक्स्ट इज क्रिकेटर. वन हु प्लेड क्रिकेटर, वन हु प्ले क्रिकेट इज cricketer, whether she is a girl or a boy. Check your knowledge. Complete the following statements. Now you have to write, you have to fill these words. Your mother's mother is your what? Grandmother. Your hair is cut by a barber. BARBER. Your father and mother are your parents. A person who treats the patients is a doctor. A boy who on his wedding day is a bridegroom. BRIDEGROOM. Next question is match and arrange the following list of words in the two columns given below. Now we have to first of all match these common nouns to be part, and we have to write which common noun is male and which is female, opposite to each other. Now first is fox. So fox का क्या होगा? Match vixen. So fox is male and vixen is female. Count will be matched with countess. So count, countess. Next is mistress. So mistress will be matched with master. Master is male and mistress is female. Peacock, peahen. So peacock is male and peahen is female. Roe will be matched with hart. So hart is male and roe is female. Hart is a type of deer. ठीक है. Fill in the blanks with the opposite gender of the words given in the bold letters. Now, the Duke of Kent was cruel, but Duke will be changed into Duchess. Was kind-hearted. Mrs. Cole invited all her nephews and nieces to her son's birthday. So nephew will be changed into nieces. The wicked queen wanted Snow White to die, but the king, so here is queen, so king, loved his daughter very much. My uncle is very fat, but my aunt is slim. Uncle, aunt. The empress smiled and waved at everyone, but the emperor seemed to be very sad. So emperor, empress, emperor. So I hope all you have understood this chapter and do all the actions in the practice book. Thank you.